Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the Chords feature in VerseVIEW and explore some of the tools available for musicians. Let's begin by opening a song that includes chord information. From the lyrics section, select a song and look for the music icon. When the icon is blue, it means the chord data is available for that song. Click the music icon to open the chord view. The chords are displayed in the song's current key. You can also switch between piano and guitar tabs to see how each chord is played on those instruments. If you would like to play the song in a different key, simply choose a new key from the Transpose menu. VerseVIEW automatically updates all the chords along with the corresponding piano and guitar diagrams. This makes it easy to adapt songs to different vocal range and instruments. Many songs also include additional musical information, such as the time signature, tempo, beats per minute, and rhythm patterns, making this a valuable resource for worship teams and musicians. If you prefer using the Nashville number system, simply switch to the number system mode. The chords are displayed as numbers instead of letter names, which many musicians use for playing in different keys. Let's look at how to edit chords. Click the Edit button to open the chord editor. Chords are entered inline with square brackets directly along the lyrics. For example, we will change a C chord to C7 on the second line. After making the change, click Save, and you will immediately see the updated chords in the display. You can also create additional chord versions for the same song. Click Add Version to create a new arrangement. Use the primary or the secondary buttons to load the corresponding lyrics. Then enter the chords inline just as before. On the right side, you can specify the song's key, time signature, tempo, preferred key, and the author of the chord arrangement. Once everything is complete, click Save and the new version becomes available alongside the existing one. If a version is no longer needed, it can be deleted at any time. You will also find options at the top of the window to import or export chord files, making it easy to share chord arrangements between systems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using VerseVIEW.